We don't have a bull on this farm right now.
Thank God.
Hey everyone, this is Francesca the Dairy Cow, and we are at my beautiful barn, Winding River in Stewiacke, Nova Scotia. This is a beautiful place for me to live and make good quality milk. And today visiting me is Trevor Dillman from ATL Dairy Automation. How are you, Trevor?
Just great. You?
Thanks for coming by my farm.
I'm just checking things out.
One of the things that I love about this barn is it's nice, it's open, it's bright, but I really love the fact that I have these beds made of sand because I love sand.
We got some Agricomfort SandSaver Mats that we put in on the bottom under the sand to keep it from you guys digging as far, as deep a holes and pushing the sand out in the alley.
Talk to me about the ease of install on these because you guys did this pretty quickly.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. There was a couple guys. We dug it down about 8 or 9 inches and the SandSaver mat just lays on the bottom. And then we put a 4x4 on the front and we fastened the front of the mat to the 4x4 to hold it from moving front and back. And then the back's just laying against the curb. So it wasn't a big deal to install. And hopefully we make some more milk and save some sand. Francesca, what's up?
So we're in this area now where you put in some mats by EasyFix.
That's right, yeah.
That work in very much the same way that the Agricomfort mats do.
Yeah.
So tell me about these mats.
Well, these are more of an open design. It's a honeycomb, probably 6 inches across. And there's nothing securing it. You just dig it down 9 inches, lay it on the floor, make sure it's level, and then we fill it back up with 6 or 8 inches of sand. The front's a little more sand, so when you guys get up and down, you feel better about it. Secure footing, lots of comfort, cushion. Yeah.
It's amazing here.
And then the back, it's a little thicker honeycomb to keep the sand in, because when you guys are coming in and out, you kick more sand out. So we're trying to hold more of it in the back end of the stall.
All right, so welcome to this side of the barn, Trevor.
Thanks, man.
We use shavings over here.
Yeah.
You put some really nice mats in.
They are super comfortable.
These are great.
Well, these are the Jupiter mats from EasyFix, and they got a built-in rubber brisket board and pieces that come down for indexing to keep the cows in the middle of the stall. Because in the middle is a piece of foam. So when you lay down, it's rubber and then foam under it.
I feel that.
You can cushion it in. So the manure or any milk that you would leak is all just pulled off the back of the mat. And when you lay down, you don't need a thick layer of shavings to keep the cow comfortable and make it so you guys want to use them.
This has definitely been a step up.
Agreed.
This has been a step up. And how was putting them in? How was the installation?
This section was really good. It was a concrete base, is flat underneath. So each one is just a series of 9 fasteners, fairly quick and simple. They interlock one to the other, so you set the first one in square, how you want to line them up, and then you just keep piecing them together and fasten them down. It went fairly slick.
All right, well, listen, I gotta go make some milk.
Okay.
All right, thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, pleasure.
See yourself out, wash your boots, and take care.
Till next time.
Yes, girl. No, you gotta find a bull that treats you like a queen. Well, no.
Francesca, get the f back to work.